Amukira ngeithi mwereru wa Kameme TV haria hothe uranyamukira uri miaraho ya umuthi mahinda mangi mega turanyitanira nawe thiini wa mohoro gitau tumenya ni mariku marahiuhia ciande icigo itiganite cia bururi. Ni mwihoko wakwa muthenya waku no urathie na mbere ukigariuraga uria kwagiriire. Njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani mwathiri na njira ciiko ni wagaki wa muthoni. Na tukebire ni ati mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni ageire kiene miario ya munini wake Rigathi Gachagua ya ati ruhonge rwa ugaceru rutiamuheire riboti nginyaniru egie mirurungano ya mbeu njithi keri ga kiumia kihituku. Akiaria hindi ya ndereti ya imwe kwa imwe na nyumba cia mohoro Ruto ugite kwari na ndumiriri cia kwihokeka ati kwari na gikundi kia ekinae kiria kiendaga gukuruhania kana gwikuruhania na mirurungano iyo niguo guthukangia indo. Gachagua augite munene wa ruhonge rwa ugaceru Nurudin Haji niwe wagireirwo ni gukuithio murigo wa hathara na ikuo iria cionekanire akiuga ni akomire wira-ini wake.
We had information and that is why we prepared in the manner in which we did. If we hadn't prepared in the manner in which we did, we would not be counting 19. We would be counting different numbers.
Okay.
And I am telling you that the level of mobilization by criminals was heavy. In fact, many of the peaceful protesters, many of the young people, very well-meaning young people, left the town by 10, maybe 11, because they realized, and in fact you could hear them in their zelo. They were saying, guys, this is not our group. Let us go. Let us leave. You could hear them. It was in public domain that the peaceful demonstrators all of a sudden realized that the whole thing had metamorphosed into criminality.
How many people are in custody?
You will see them in court tomorrow. The police know what I have a ballpark brief by the police that they have enough people. They have actually, because in Kenya nowadays, you cannot commit crime and get away with it. Those who attacked parliament are on CCTV. Those who attacked the judiciary are on CCTV. Those who attacked everywhere, those who destroyed people's shops are on CCTV. Many of them are on the run, but we will catch them. So to your question, so the police are at it. Because if we don't deal with impunity, we will not have a country.
Na riboti negi ni ati President William Ruto ni augite ni haririirie kwaraniria na mbeu njithi kuhitukira mutambo wa X toria gikundi kia Gen Z gikoretwo gikiendekithia. Akiaria hindi ya giikaro kia imwe kwa imwe na nyumba cia mohoro Ruto ugite thirikari yake ni haririirie guthikiriria mateta ma mbeu njithi niguo mahote gwetha kihonia kia mathina maya na gutigirira bururi no athie na mbere ona ningi mbeu njithi ni magia na mieke ya mawira.
That I will engage the young people. Yeah, I promised. I was just making good my promise. And I promised a multi-sectoral forum, and that's what I have put out. I also promised that these are some of the topics I want us to discuss. I want us to discuss debt. I want us to discuss taxation. I want us to discuss unemployment. I want us to discuss corruption. I want us to discuss these issues. And it was a suggestion, and I am open. I am hearing that the young people are saying, we don't want a multi-sectoral forum. Maybe we should have an engagement with the president on X. And I am open to having an engagement with the young people on a forum that they are comfortable with.
You're ready to go digital?
If they want me to engage with them on X, I will be there. I have many young people in my house.
Are they telling you all is well?
The same ones that are in all these other spaces. And they want an engagement. They have ideas. They have suggestions. And I am open. If what we are doing on the digital space, on the housing program, on the export of labor, on manufacturing, if they have suggestions, I am open to those suggestions. They can improve, they can change, they can make new suggestions. And I also have a responsibility as a father, because these are our children. I have also a responsibility to guide and to listen to them and to tell them, yes, on this, I agree. For example, let's not have a spouse's office. I agree. Let's not have CASS for now. I agree. Let us not have
Advisors.
Advisors. We will agree. Let us not have churches being a space for politics. I agree. So many of these areas, we need to even have a conversation. If we are paying 46% of our revenues for salaries and wages, when the legally established space should be 35%. That is why I started a conversation with Salaries and Remuneration Commission. We must deal with the issue of wages and salaries so that we bring them down to 35% and leave more money for our development. That is a conversation I am very happy about.
Na ikundi itiganite cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu ni ciugite gukinyaniria riu andu 28 nio moragitwo ni maabitha a borithi na andu 32 nio manyititwo migwate guku andu 627 magiikio ngono na andu 361 marahonia nguraro. Ikundi ici ni ciugite ni iguthitanga munene wa borithi Japhet Kameme kumana na ciiko cia maabitha a borithi hindi ya mirurungano guku makiuria aria maikitio ngono marekererio ta uria igoti riathanire kwaga uguo mambike cira igoti-ini.
As of last night, that is the 30th of June 2024, 24 human beings have been killed by police officers and at least over 361 people